Machining allowance. Let us see an example for machining allowance. This is the dimension as cast. This is the dimension required. Boring operation takes place by using boring tool. It is a positive allowance given to compensate the amount of material lost in machining for finishing the casting. Milling operation takes place. If this allowance is not given, the casting will undersize after machining. This allowance value varies from 3 mm to 18 mm.